The second. So I'll be cooking every woman combo. This is my lemon. This is my lime. Here is my turmeric. Here is my ginger and garlic. And here is my ujarija. Ujarija. So I'll be adding everything together to cook this every woman combo. So it will clean all your body. Like this, what I drink. It helps the body. So let's go and start cooking it. Let's go and wash every single thing that is here and peel all these things that you are seeing right now. Let's go and wash it. Wash, 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 wash. I wash everything and grind. I will pan this one a little bit. So after pounding it, I'll add it to the pot and we do the do. This is my figure 8. I'll be adding it in my every woman's combo. You can see this is the reason why we call it figure 8. So we'll be adding it in the every woman's combo. So this is my figure 8. I've already washed this one, so it's just to add it in the pot. So let's go and start preparing the every woman combo. First of all, you cut your lime. This lemon, you cut it like this. You'll be adding it in your pot. Just be cutting it two. Cut it two. This is how you will be doing it. Once you are doing it like this, you'll be putting it inside your pot, as you are seeing me doing it right now. This is what you continue doing. This is how to cook every woman's combo. It cleans the body very well. It cleans everything. That is what I use to clean my body, both infection, any sickness. It helps a lot. You can be drinking it morning and night. You'll be taking one cup morning and night. That is how I take my own. So I said let me share with you guys what I use to clean my body. Anytime I feel like I'm sick, I'll go to the market and buy all these things that you are seeing. I cut them into pieces. So guys, the same thing with lime. This lime, this is how you will cut it. You will be cutting it, you will be pressing the water. I don't have this juice, what they call it, this thing they use to attract the milk out. So guys, this is how you'll be cutting it. Make sure if you are cutting, you make sure the water also pour here as well. So that is what we'll be doing. You'll be cutting it the way you cut the lemon. So this is lime. This small one is lime. You also cut it the same. This one also help for stomach. You know what? So guys, I have finished cutting the lime. So now is the figure 8. This is the figure 8. I've washed it before, but I just want to wash it again before I put it in my pot. So this is the figure 8. In case if you want to buy, you just say then it's figure 8, something like this. In case if the person did not know it by this name, if you see it there, I don't know what you guys call it, but in my own side we call it figure 8. So I'm washing it inside the pot right now. After I've cut the lemon and lime, the next thing is this figure 8. So the figure 8 is inside right now. So guys, the next thing I'll be putting in my pot is guja. I don't know what you guys call it. I don't know what you guys call it in your own side, but we call it guja. So I have washed it and I'm putting it right now in my pot. This thing, we also use this thing to cook yam, our porridge yam or white yam, water yam. We also use it if somebody give birth. It also help to clean the person's body very very well. If somebody give birth, we also put it inside and cook it with the hot water soup that we prepare for a new mom. So it's also good in the body. It cleans the body very well. So the next thing is this ginger, turmeric, garlic. I'll be pounding them because I want everything to come out very well. So I'll pound this one. I want to pound it now in my mortar light now. So that is my mortar. I'm trying to lace it up. Trying to lace it with water because I want everything to be neat. I want everything to be neat. So guys, I have washed the mortar, so it's time to put it here. It's not to match it. It's just to match it, not to pound it too much, just to mash it. Just matching. So I've matched it very 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 well. So it's time to pour inside the pot. Let me pour inside the pot right now. So let's pour water. You see the measurement water I'm putting here. So I'm putting the less here in the pot. So this is it. This is everything now in the pot. So it's for me to add another water inside and we start cooking it. So guys, this is the water I'll be putting again. It doesn't need too much water, just small water is okay for it. You see the amount of water I put. So that is what I'll be using to cook all these things you are seeing right now. So that is it. So that is it. It's time for me to close my pot and start cooking. Okay. So it's cooking light away now. Let's cover it to cook. Guys, I'm covering it right now. So guys, I forgot to put my zobo. You guys know what zobo do in the body. So I also want to slim a little bit. So I want to add my zobo inside right now. This is the zobo. There's amount of zobo I'll be putting. This is my zobo. I'm washing it from here, putting it in my pot. So this is also zobo. You all know what zobo happens whenever it go down to the bottom once it's not sugar. So that is it. I'm also adding zobo. Let me also help me to slim down. I want to slim down, guys. So this is my zobo inside, so I'll be covering it. You can see that the thing is starting boiling now. So let's throw this and see. I'll just give it 2 hours. I want it to cook very well, so 2 hours I'll be offing the gas. So I have set the time. Out now. I just coming out and see that this thing is pouring away, so I need to open the pot a little bit. So here is it. Here is the drop. Here is my drop. Here is my juice. That is my juice. This is my juice. It's all done. Oh, done. Everything that you are seeing here is done. So I'll allow you to go, and I will show you guys where I'm drinking it. Yeah, I'll show you guys where I'm drinking. Let me allow you to go. So I'll open the gas light now. Everything is done. We allow it to cool, so I will sieve it out and store it.